Okay, so I just got a new flashlight. It is the Coast G15 clip light, LED clip light, and it's pretty nice, supposedly pretty nice. You can clip it onto your hat and use it as a headlight, or you can clip it in a computer case if you're working on a computer, or sky's the limit. So anyway, I don't recommend it. There's a few reasons why. First of all, this is the thing that really annoys me. It looks like you can unscrew the front part here, and on mine you can, because, well, I broke the seal. I can't do it with one hand, but it's when you get one new out of the box, you can't remove it. Say you want to upgrade your LED or whatever, you want to take that out. Nope, you can't do that. It's brazed on. They brazed on this part, and in that theme, I opened it up and I took out the battery, and lodged in there was a chunk of brazing alloy, just between the spring and the battery. See that? That was inside the flashlight. Yeah, bad. I'm surprised it even worked. It's a good thing I tried it before I bought it. It had the little mirror thing on there so you can, and the buttons exposed so you can actually try it in the store. Make sure it works. If you go against my recommendations and you do decide to buy it, make sure you do that first. And that could, cause all kinds of problems. So yeah, it's cheap junk construction, made in China, of course. Also, what is more, can you see that? That is just unbelievably loose. This thing is not for the faint of heart. Yeah, I don't recommend this. Yeah, don't buy it. I already regret buying this. Yeah, it's nice, but it's not $12 nice or whatever I paid for it. I think I actually got a little discount because I got the Meyer Team card. So yeah, it's junk. Don't buy it. Don't buy that. Get it out of here. Get out of here. Get that crap out of here.